Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 5th Maths, exercise 3.7, which is the last exercise of chapter number 3. So students, coming to the question, fill in the blanks. So simply some blanks are given and 4 questions are given in this exercise. Only 4 questions. So here students, I will solve all 4 for you. So students, you are able to see that here HCF is given, here LCM is given, 6 and 9, 2 numbers are there. Okay, so simply how to solve it, that I will tell you one by one. So see students, it is given 6 and 9. So simply in between all the circles, inside all the circles, see one cross sign is there. So this is the sign of multiplication. So students, these number you have to multiply it right here, and after finding the HCF and LCM we have to write down here and we have to multiply that both, and the answer we will write here. And one very important thing present over here is the multiplication, the product which we will receive here and here will be equal always. Okay, so remember it should be equal, otherwise your answer, the LCM and HCF, will be wrong. So let us start from question number 1. So students, 6 and 9 is given, we have to find the HCF and LCM. So the easiest way of finding the HCF of 2 digit is, or the 2 numbers, is by long division method, and easiest way of finding the LCM of 2 number is by short division method. So first of all, 6 and 9. 6 and 9 are the numbers, 6 and 9. So students, first we will find the HCF by long division method. So simply, as I told you in the previous classes, we will divide 6 and 9. So means 9 will be divided by 6. Here we will take 9 is a greater number than 6. So 9 will be dividend and 6 will be divisor. So 6 ones are 6. After doing this, I had told you in the previous class, but once again I am explaining the long division method here. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So after receiving the 3 as the remainder, we will take now 3 as the divisor, and the divisor present in the first will be the dividend. So this 6 we will write here as a dividend. Now the remainder becomes the divisor, and the divisor becomes, first divisor becomes the dividend. Now read the table. 3 2s are 6. So this process we will continue till we will not receive the 0, till we will receive the 0, till that time we have to continue it. And after finding this, after receiving the 0 as reminder, this last divisor will be the HCF of the given numbers. Okay, so here 6 and 9 are the numbers, and the divisor is, means the last divisor is 3. So 3 is the HCF. So HCF I am writing here is 3. Okay students, now after finding the HCF we will find the LCM. So simply 6 and 9 only. So 6 and 9, the easy way of division, the short division method we will use here. So simply 3 2s are 6, then 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. We will take one common multiple by which the other numbers can be divided. Now 2 is there. So 2 1s are 2, but 3 cannot be divided by 2. So directly, simply as it is, you have to write the 3. Now only 3 is there and 1 is there. So 3, 1 will be as it is, and 3 1s are 3. So till we will receive 1 and 1 here, we have to continue our division. Okay, this short division process. So now after receiving the numbers over here, we have to multiply these numbers. Either it is 2 numbers are there, 3 numbers are there, or 5 numbers. We have to multiply all. See, 3 2s are 6 and 6 3s are 18, or you can say 3 3s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. So we have received LCM as 18. So now students, after receiving this, what we will do? Simply multiply. 6 9s are 9 6s are 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54. And now multiply 18 and 3. 3 and 18, answer you will write here. So 18 threes are, if you are not knowing, you can multiply it also. 8 threes are 24 and 3 ones are 3, 4, 5, 54. So what you are receiving here? The same answer we are receiving over here. Means 6 and 9 multiplication means these are the two factors. After multiplying these two, we are receiving the product 54. And after finding the LCM and HCF of 16, 6 and 9, HCF is 3 and LCM is 18. We have to multiply the LCM and HCF and the product will also be same like the product of 6 and 9. So 54 is equal to 54. If the answers are different, this calculation is wrong. Okay. So moving to next question. So see here. So 4 6 directly we will multiply. 4 6 24. Now find the LCM and HCF of both. So first we will find 4. So 6 divided by 4. First we will find HCF. So 4 ones are 4 and this is 2. As I had told you first, same procedure we are following. Now 2 is there as reminder and this 4 will come here. 2 2s are 4. Means what is the answer over here? This means 2. So 2 is the HCF. After finding the HCF, we will find the LCM. So 4 and 6. So 2, table of 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now 2 1s are 2, 3 will be as it is. Now 3 1s are 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Or 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the answer here. Now students, we have already multiplied 4 6 are 24. Now 2 12s are or 12 ones are 12, 12 2s are 24. Both the answers are same? Yes. Means this solution is also correct. Now moving to next question. 10 into 15. So simply 15 tens are 150. Okay. Now we have to find the LCM and HCF of 10 and 15. HCF 15 divided by 10. So 15 divided by 10, 10 ones are 10. Now 5 left. So 5 will divide 10. So 5 2s are 10. We are receiving the answer 0 here. Means 5 is the last divisor. So 5 will be the HCF. I think long division method is the easiest method of solving the HCF. Okay, because in very short time we can divide the numbers and we can find the answers. But only 2 numbers should be there. 3 numbers we cannot divide. Okay. So see here students, 10 and 15. Now short division method. Table of 2 not possible. 3 also not possible. 5 will be there. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Now 2 1s are, 3 will be as it is and 3 1s are. Now 5 2s are 10 and 10 3s are what? 5 2s are 10 and 10 3s are 30. So if I am writing 30 here means LCM will be 30. 3 2s are 6 and 6 5s are 30 also you can read. Now 10 15 tens are 10 15s are 150. Now multiply 30 and 5. So 5 zeros are 0 and 5 3s are 15. Is the answer same here? Yes. So 150 and 150 means 150 is the common answer for both, means this is also correct. Now moving to next 9 and 15. So find the HCF of 9 and 15. So 9 and 15. 9 ones are 9. 15 minus 9 will be 6. Yes or no? See, count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 115. 6. After subtracting, then 9 will be here. This 9 will be here. Now 6 ones are 6. One more step is there because this is not 0. So 9 minus 6 is 3. After dividing this 3, so see here students, 6 will be here. Third step. So now 3 2s are 6. So what answer we are receiving? 3, not the second 6. Okay, because 3 is the last divisor. So 3 is the answer. 3 is the HCF. After finding the HCF, we will find the LCM. 9 and 15. So see students, 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. Now 3 ones are 3. In the table of 3, 5 does not come. So 5 will be as it is. Then 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. Now multiply all for finding the LCM. 5 threes are 15 and 15 threes are what? Multiply. 15 threes are 45. Yes or no? If no, calculate once. 3 threes are 9 and 9 fives are 45. Also you can calculate. Okay, so now multiply this. 15 nines are. You can multiply or directly read the table of 15. So 9 fives are 45. 9 ones are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 135. And if we are multiplying 15 and 9, this we have done 45 into 3. Now 45 into 3. 3 fives are 15 and 3 fours are 12 plus 1, 13. So see, 15 into 9. 15 into 9 is 135 and 45 into 3 is also 135. So we will write the answer here, 135, and here also 135. So students, in this way 3.7 can be completed and all 4 questions I had solved for you. So solve, but before solving please understand the steps. Okay, thank you for watching.